Guess what? Nigeria is 65 years old as of today. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Today we celebrate 65 years of freedom, unity, and resilience. But as we celebrate, let's remember true independence also means responsibility. Ensure you stay safe today, being Independence Day. On the road, avoid overspeeding. On waterways, always wear a life jacket. In gathering, be security conscious. At home, stay alert and prevent accidents. A safe Nigeria is a stronger Nigeria. As we raise our flag high, let's raise our commitment to safety. Celebrate responsibly, celebrate safely, and let's build a Nigeria we dream of. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria, and God bless Nigeria.